Hey, Didge sisters and brothers, Didge Mother here. I'm gonna explain a little bit about mouthpieces. Okay, I had a lot of questions about it, and yeah, for me, the right size is 2.8 centimeters, 28 millimeters, and that's about a little bit less than 1.8 inches, I think. So 3 centimeters, 3.2 would be absolutely max, and I'm gonna explain how to make it. First of all, you need some beeswax if it's too big. Even if it's very sharp, it's very smart to have some beeswax. I'm gonna show you my beeswax. Here it is. So I have something like this, beeswax. It's quite hard, so you don't need that. It's a beeswax that is for making this look better. But you need something hard. This can work also. You can buy that at a candle store. And what I did, well, this part I cut with a super sharp knife, and I heat it up a bit, and then you can go cut through it. So I cut like this part, and then I cut some, 3 parts out of that. So, and then I heat it up with my hairdryer. If you don't have a hairdryer, you can use the oven and put it quite low. And you want, if you have something like this, not to make it get white, because then it's almost liquid. You want it to just become a bit softer, so you can mold it into something like this. And then you make sort of a round. I showed you with centimeters. This one is about 2.7-ish. And this I made a little bit bigger. Yeah, well, 2.8, 7, also quite small. Actually, and now what I have to do, and I wish I could, fast forward a little bit, but I'm gonna use my hairdryer. So in real time, I'm gonna try to fix this mouthpiece. I don't know if you hear me now, but I'm just gonna try. So this is the mouthpiece, and it's really worn, as you can see. It's a little bit bigger than 2.8, so I'm gonna put this piece of beeswax that I'm trying to heat up now evenly. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, this I'm probably gonna cut out because this is gonna take too long. Okay, fast forward. Now you can see it's a bit lighter of color. So this one, it's soft. I hurt my thumb, but it's soft. You see, I can mold it now. So I'm gonna put it on top. Here we go. And first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hopefully show you properly. Gonna put the inside in. So the inside I'm gonna mold, as you can see. So actually put the inside in. I think you can see. La 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 la. Okay, so I used to play a bit smaller even than 2.8, and but then I did different techniques that needed a little bit more space. If you have a mouthpiece and it is way bigger than 3 centimeters, it's basically impossible to play in front of your mouth. And like I said in the first video, I want you to play in front of the mouth. Okay, so I did the inside. It's all sort of airtight there, just making sure. And then I'm gonna make the outside go over. As you can see, it's not gonna be the best one because I'm holding my phone to film this and do it at the same time. Now you can see it's not so nice on the top, so I'm just gonna mold that a little bit. And look at my view. Hello, Amsterdam. Good, nice part of Amsterdam, lots of trees. Okay, so now that's basically my mouthpiece. You see? Okay, 2.8. You see? That's how I like it.